So we started our business in 1923. I'm third generation, fourth generation, in San Francisco Mission District in California. So we've been around making product and distributing to the local stores since the 1920s. This is the first generation making tortillas by mechanized system. We have a corn grinder in the back being run by my grandmother with all her friends, enjoying, having a good time making tortillas. So this is circa 1956. As you can see, we have my dad here, second generation, making tamales in the corner. Here we have my grandmother in the back grinding corn. These are ready-made tortillas, the first mechanized tortilla machine in San Francisco. This is a photo of my grandfather in the 1920s getting ready to work in his business attire. This is my dad here with a big smile on his face. He was the second generation in the family business. Here I am trying one of our salsa tortilla chips. And we've been going through different transitions from being restaurants, and today we're in the wholesale manufacturing distribution of taking product, manufacturing, taken to a lot of stores in our local California area. So we have a lot of fun working with the family, and we're really, truly family run, even though we're a professional style of operation, but we have a good time making good product from our history, from what our culture is, and bringing it to the market today.